Hey my doll baby, so I am here to show you this slayage that I'm about to put down here. I'm showing you my braid technique, how I like to braid one side to the next. This allows the back to be flat, and it also allows you to sew your wig down in the back if needed to, okay? And yes, I am going to take my crochet needle and pull that hair right through so it be flat, no hair sticking up, and and I'm gonna use my K Goody oil on her today. Y'all go check my girl out, okay? All right, now we're gonna put that through that scalp and saturate it. My client, she has alopecia, so she's like one of my best clients to show you guys what it really is. Right now, I am basically spraying that Got To Be Glue spray on her little fuzz that she has, and I'm drying it just to protect it from the glue that I'm gonna apply. You can't see it, but I can see it. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. But just let's get into this. I am not gonna use no cap on her head because it's not needed. And yeah. We're going to use that alcohol to wipe away the spray and the excess oil on her forehead, because we are going to apply that boho skin protector, okay? And you want the skin to be clean before you put that on. This creates a barrier between the glue and your sweat. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you get that boho skin protector with that glue to get a perfect hold. Know what I'm saying? Anyway, I'm about to apply that boho, okay? The active boho, by the way. Perfect for the sweat. You're going to apply thin layers, okay? As you can see, I'm going around her hairline. Like I said before, you can't see it, but I can. And yeah, and you're going to apply thin layers, okay? All right, now. You know, I put probably like about 3 or 4 coats or something like that. And I also put the tape, which I ain't show you that part, which I already seen that so many times. But anyway, I'm applying that 613 lace front wig from the Paramount collection, okay? Yes, and shout out to my client for coloring it. She did an amazing job. She loved her colors, and she does it well. As you can see, the lace is not matching her skin, but we're going to handle that problem. We're going to dry that glue and that lace together. Make sure it's melting. Melt, baby, melt, baby, melt. And then we're going to start to cut that lace. I'm going to use my good old eyebrow razor because it just cuts the lace so perfectly. Yeah. Then we're going to get around the edge. We're going to take the stork scissors and cut around that ear. Okay. And then finish cutting that lace off with the eyebrow razor. So right now it is marinating. All right. And she just want the wet look. So I'm spraying some water, and I'm going to put some Nairobi mousse. And yeah. Was that Nairobi mousse? No, I think I used another mousse. Yeah, I did. But anyway, the mousse is still good. I forgot the name of the mousse, but I used that mousse. Yes. And it did a good job. She got the wet look going on. All right. Yes. And we are about to take that scarf off and look at that slay, honey. Yes. That slay, that slay, that slay. That lace tinted, huh? I used that Taylor Crown lace tint, by the way. Boho edition. Get into that slay.